It's time now to clear the air, and it's hard to remember a presidential candidate who seems to be so at war with his own personal and political biography as Mitt Romney. It took him less than 2 hours to come out and denounce the Supreme Court's decision yesterday, which upheld healthcare reform, a reform that he first developed and implemented as governor of Massachusetts. But now he treats his own singular achievement as if it's covered in leprosy.
What the court did not do on its last day in session, I will do on my first day if elected president of the United States. And that is, I will act to repeal Obamacare.
He says this knowing full well that 98% of people in Massachusetts now have health insurance, by far the best rate in the country, and public support for the reforms he instituted is as high as 75%, according to some polls. But despite this obvious success, it was the president who had to mention the fact of Mitt Romney's commitment to the individual mandate.
In fact, this idea has enjoyed support from members of both parties, including the current Republican nominee for president.
Except that the current Republican nominee for president finds himself entirely emasculated. Emasculated because he will not stand by what he once stood for. In all seriousness, it must be for him the most horrible experience of contortion and revisionism, pretending that healthcare in Massachusetts never really happened, instead of owning up to his single most important contribution to public life. But that's Mitt Romney, a hollow candidate who every day is running away from his own signature achievement.